So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Flipkart Recruitment Drive 2021. So it's a very good job opportunity because Flipkart is one of the best MNC. So if you are eligible, then don't miss this opportunity. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like this. And also don't forget to apply for CGI, ThoughtWorks, Jicus, Intel, and TCS and Wipro, CDK Global. These MNCs are hiring for different job profiles. So I'll be putting these links in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for the other job profiles as well. So now let's discuss about the job profile. Then we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria and then we'll be discussing about the application process. So step by step we'll be discussing. So this is the career portal of Flipkart. So they are hiring for the business analyst as we discussed earlier. So this is the job code 32539. So now let's discuss about the job description. Later you can go through all these things. So for the timing we are skipping this part. So now let's discuss about the job responsibility. So you will work closely with the internal Flipkart team to identify, define, collect and track the key business metrics for products and business process or business development. So you'll pull data required to conduct business analysis or business analytics, build reports or bring insights and dashboards and metrics to monitor the performance or the business growth. And you will execute the qualitative analysis that translate data into the actionable insights. So these are the key roles or the responsibilities here for this job profile. So now let's discuss about the experience required or for this off campus or the skills required for this job profile. So the education or work experience are bachelor's degree in computer science, math, statistics or related discipline from the reputed institute or MBA from the reputed institute. So all the bachelor candidates who belong to the computer science, math, statistics, etc. background can apply for this off campus, and you must be having 1 year plus experience in this particular field. That means fresh graduates are not eligible for this off campus, unfortunately. You must be having minimum of 1 year of experience for this off campus. And required abilities or the competencies are ability to translate the structured and unstructured problem into analytical framework, ability to experiment with alternative analytics techniques to solve a problem, then exceptional written and verbal communication skills. So these are the key skills or the capabilities required for this off campus. So now let's discuss about the technical things or skills required for this job profile. So good handle in SQL or PL/SQL, Excel or other scripting languages like Java, Python, R, etc. Basic understanding of statistical methodology or the modeling statistical tools such as Python or R or Spark, etc. Good to have working experience with BI tools or Power BI, Tableau, etc. So these are the technical skills required for this off campus. So you must be knowing SQL first of all, Excel, and one or more multiple scripting language knowledge like R, Python, etc. And good to have the working experience with BI tools, Power BI, etc. And they have one open position for this job profile, and skills required are Python, SQL, business analytics, data analytics, etc. So now let's discuss about the application process. So if you are interested for this off campus or for this job profile, simply you need to click on the, and also and they are hiring for the Bangalore location only. So if you are interested for this off campus, simply click on the apply button here. After that you'll be able to apply for this off campus. Hardly it will be taking 10 seconds to apply for this off campus, because you need to first fetch your updated resume. Choose file. After clicking the choose file, you will be able to import your file as you do always. Then automatically it will fetch for your first name, last name, email address, it will fetch phone number, it will fetch total year of experience you need to put. So it is not mandatory. If you want to put, then you can put. Gender you need to choose male or female. Then current location you need to type here, and then you need to check I am not a robot. After that you will be able to click on the submit button. Hardly it will be taking 10 seconds to apply for this off campus. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus or for this job profile if you are interested or if you are eligible. Apart from this, if you have any doubts regarding this off campus or other off campus other thing, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.